everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider. I'm, I'm going to show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something from South Korea, somewhere around here. This is Paldo Teumsae stir-fried ramen. Spicy. So, this is gonna be a mukbang, so you won't see me try it in this episode, but an hour later when it does air, it will feature me eating it. So, just know that. Noodle block. In the fire. 5 minutes. So what's going on? We're gonna get more snow. That's in the forecast. So that's fun. So this is a North Korean or South Korean variety. North Korean. There are North Korean instant noodles, however, I have never had any luck getting them. Like, really? You'd eat North Korean instant noodles? Yeah, because they're all made in South Korea. Interesting, isn't it? Yeah, they, what I've been told by plenty of South Koreans is that what happens is the North Koreans get all saber rattly when all of a sudden it's like, wow, we're low on resources, we need stuff. And as soon as South Korea goes, okay, all right, here's some food, then they mellow out. That's what I've been told quite a few times, which I think is really kind of weird, but it's a relationship, I guess. I don't know. But, yeah. Actually, this brand, this is Paldo Teumsae. And Teumsae is like a chain of restaurants with ultra spicy stuff. But Paldo is a term for the unification of all of Korea. I think it's the term for the provinces of Korea coming together. So it's like there is strong want for there to be one Korea. But, you know, I think it'll happen in my lifetime. That'll be a big deal too, but not today, I don't think. So there's still no vegetables at the grocery store. My wife went in. True story and weird story. So at her work, they did these neat things. They would have these little contests, like word finds, I think, and like, what does this little phrase mean, and what Christmas song does it come up with, and all that kind of stuff. Well, they had one, and the prize was like a box of Tic Tacs, but they put a sticker on it that said reindeer noses. So they're like the orange Tic Tacs. I should have known better, but like if I eat a Tic Tac, I get these weird headaches where like my eyes get all like, kind of like if you stood up too fast and you got a head rush and you saw stars. And just like all of a sudden the outsides of my eyes, just like eyelids start to burn. And then they kind of get numb. And then I've got that stars thing going on. And then I just feel like, and God, what is it? Slim Jims and Tic Tacs. My mom used to eat certs, and I would eat one of those, and that would do it too. I don't think it's the Retsin or xylitol, but it's something in those things that doesn't agree with me. And I was like, oh, I haven't had one of these little things in a long time. And I ate one, and it was just like 20 minutes later, I'm like, sucked. But yeah. Doing a mukbang today. I might do one tomorrow. I got a shipment of noodles from Taiwan, and they are Hello Kitty cup noodles from Asha, and they've got one which is a chicken flavor and the other which is a spicy flavor. spicy Hello Kitty mukbang. Sounds like fun. Sounds kind of silly because I can't imagine it's that spicy, but you never know. It could be pretty lethal. We'll see. Yeah. Today is Wednesday. Debating whether to talk to my brother today because the kids have been extremely noisy. They just finished lunch and got on their tablets, so it's pretty mellow right now. But yeah. And let's see. Do I have time to go into that? No, I don't. By the way, I still don't like this timer. I nor my wife are fans of the timer. You have to take it off the thing to be able to see it. The other one you can see fine from right there. Wow. This is going to be a hard one to do. This is a lot of food. So, put that there, put this here. Put this here. Now don't get all cranky because I'm not eating this right now. Don't do it. Here's our flaky flakes. Put those in here. This looks an awful lot like something. What are you doing? Are you making a mess? I hope not. We'll see. As you might have noticed, there's new music on the show. Some are hits and some are misses, and I think this might be a miss. There's our spicy sauce. Turn it in. Yeah, you know what this smells like? Ooh, I don't know. This smells like it's gonna be pretty spicy. I'm getting a strong hit of capsicum oleoresin, which is pepper extract. There we go. Yeah, this is a miss. This track is called Nice Furniture. I wish this bowl had more of a well in the middle. Alright, and I made for this an egg. Come on, sucker, let go. Look at that. What a beauty egg. Hello, beauty egg. How you doing, beauty egg? Beauty egg go over there. little bit of pepper flake and a wee bit of blonde sesame seed. He's got a piano app on his tablet and he likes to push the buttons over and over and over and over again. I think that'll work. Here we go. Alright, that's it for me for today. I'm just doing one, and tomorrow, yeah, maybe you'll see a Hello Kitty mukbang. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.